In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the paper size in Google Docs. Changing the paper size can be essential for a variety of projects, whether you're preparing a document for printing or simply prefer a different layout for your work. So let's get started. First, you'll need to have Google Docs open. This could mean creating a new document or opening one you've been working on. Once you're in Google Docs, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. This is where you'll find the File option, a key component of our task today. Go ahead and click on File. Doing so will bring up a drop-down menu presenting several options for adjustments and settings you can apply to your document. From this menu, look for Page Setup. This is the area where you can control various attributes of your document's layout, including margins, orientation, and of course, the paper size. Click on Page Setup and a new window will appear. Within this new window, you'll see a section specifically labeled Paper Size. It's here where the magic happens. You have the flexibility to select from various standard paper sizes, such as letter, legal, or even tabloid, based on your particular needs. Additionally, if you require a more customized paper size, Google Docs makes it easy to adjust the dimensions to your liking. After you've selected the paper size that suits your document's requirements, you might want to double-check that all your settings are correct. Taking this moment to ensure that the margins and orientation match the intent of your project can save you from headaches down the road. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, simply click OK. This will apply the changes to your current document. In the case that you wish for future documents to also use this setup, consider selecting the Set as Default button before you click OK. This can streamline your workflow if you often find yourself using a non-standard paper size. And just like that, you've successfully changed the paper size in Google Docs. This small adjustment can have a big impact on the overall presentation and functionality of your document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions or additional tips to share. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more tutorials and content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.